Hello and welcome to the part 3 on the Lambda series. In this video, we will see another simple example, another method which we will be converting to a Lambda. In this method, we will take in a data type of type int and also return a type int. So let's quickly see what this method does. This method ideally squares the number supplied. I pass in a variable a of type int. It will square it and give an int. So how do we convert this method into a Lambda? I'm sure now it's a piece of cake for all of you. To convert this method into a Lambda, let's apply the rules. We have to remove the public access modifier, the return type, and also we can remove the name of the method. So we have to remove these, and what we are left with is the method argument and the body of the method. So we write it again here, the method argument and the body of the method. And to make this a Lambda, we supply a arrow function. So this method, which takes in a type int and returns an int, can be converted to a Lambda in this manner. Now, this is the Lambda that we have generated. Let's apply the rules that we have studied in the previous video to make the Lambda less verbose. Rule number 1, we can remove the data type. So yes, after removing the data type, the Lambda looks something like this. In the next, we said we can, if it is a single argument, if the argument to the Lambda is a single argument, we can also remove the parenthesis. After removing the parenthesis, the refined Lambda is like this. The next rule, if the body of the Lambda has a single statement, in that case, we also don't need the curly braces or the flower braces. And if flower braces are not there, we can also remove the return. So our Lambda, the optimized Lambda, finally looks something like this. So let's see, this method that we see can be rewritten with a Lambda, and it will look something like this. Friends, hope this video is clear to you. Let's see a hands-on session of this concept, what we have done in the next video. Thank you.